morning. Good morning, guys. Let me connect my Bluetooth. Hi, good morning, guys. Yes, just connected my Bluetooth, and let's see. Today is February 23rd. Time is already 12 in Texas. In New York, it's 11. So, and let's see what's going on. The market is pretty much red, and this one is kind of came up, jumped today, 25, and Microsoft, Amazon, they're all sliding down. Google, Tesla, they're all sliding down. TQQQ, Facebook, okay. This can be a bear trap again. Very good level to short. Somewhere over in this between move, basically, because the volume is green, and let's see which option I want to trade today. So the puts I would like to trade today is 397 put. I like to trade 397 put, but seen this, guys? Okay, if you see this, I know they all look good, right? Yesterday it was something like this and we made the money over here. Today, 23rd February, went up. You see, this is the reason I don't trade around 9:30, 10 o'clock, because high volume, move up, like just like if you see yesterday's thing also, it's like the same. They took it up, then they drop it, drop it. End of the day, they move it up. Stock open with the gap. Right now, it's already fill up the gap as SPY. So 23rd date, and see, I said that it's like a bear trap, and this is a 1 minute chart. So 1 minute chart gives me a lot of good moves. Basically, it tells me all those things. The 15 minutes, 5 minute chart, the candlestick needs to form, and I don't like to wait. Like I said, my way of trading is very fast, so I don't like to wait. At this moment in time, if it comes a little bit up over here, I will be trading those options. So 96, God, Jesus Christ, don't go without me. Go up a little bit, move up, and I'm trading every time I'm saying buy, I'm buying two options. So thing is like moving up and it's about to drop. About to drop. This thing is moving down. I'm sorry, moving up. This thing is about to drop. And the volume is red as well. 1 minute volume is very red. So if it come back up over here, I'll be shorting it, but let's see. Before I short this, I want to show you something. It went up over here, came down, went on the sideways direction, accumulate, they sold it, and right now it's doing the same sideways direction, and they're dropping it. Shit, missed the move when I was checking on the charts. I missed the move. All right, I'm ready to get downside move. I'm trying to see the downside move at this one, and okay, it's coming up, and I'm going to short this. I'm going to short this at this point. Sell, sell. I already bought 14. Check the numbers over here. These are my position sizes. I'm shorting it. Already holding 18 positions. I'm not buying the market, I'm selling the market, I'm selling the short. I'm placing the short on the market, basically put options, just to let you know. Okay, and if it, so these days I'm trying to accumulate the money in a small position. So my target is right over here, 390.50. 390.50 is my target. It's like a small move, but what I'm trying to say is like I'm still holding 18. Most of the time I buy a lot when I know that. So this can slide down, but I know this will going to slide down because it is sliding down. So just want to let you know, still when you hold like a 15-20 options, these are very cheap options anyway. You can still make very good money, but you should know when to short them. That is the more important part. That's the key. And you should, when you short them, you should know when to take your profit and run. So if you go and see this, I am trying to, yes, come on down and give me that level, come on, 9, yes, come on, give me this level. God, come on, yes. I'm out. Already made $280 so far. $280 up on the put options. So this will going to come back up very fast because I can see there is a little bit of bias right over here, probably because it's not going like I want it to be going down like that, but can be some bias over here, because this is kind of like another edge pattern, so it's like a sliding edge come down like a paraflex trap, but came down. So most buyers will be, it's like most traders from the banks and all, they'll try to buy it right over here, somewhere over here, and it might take up a little bit. And let's see, then I want to see the volume. Based on the volume, you see it's coming up. So this is a very, very good, that you need to be very, very quick. Basically, you need to be very, very quick at this point. So I'm up $280, which is not bad. If I want to trade call options at this moment in time, because call options, let's see which one are very good. Calls are let's see the watch list again. See Nvidia. I kind of like Tesla. Dropped, came back up. I kind of like Tesla right now. Okay, so I want to trade call option on Tesla. Call option on Teslas. That's what I want to see, call options on Teslas. Yes, they're a little bit expensive. This call options, like which one to pick at this moment in time. This one, 200 strike price. They're like running for $2.71. Basically watching Tesla. Let's see if I can get a move on Tesla. It's coming down. Okay. Watching Tesla. Call options on Tesla. Went down. So somewhere over here, I'll try to buy it. Somewhere over here, I'm gonna buy it. This was it's a good level basically to buy Tesla. I'm buying Tesla. Bought 8 options. 16. I'm buying more. My move is to sell it right over here. Not a big move. I'm pretty much sure we can reach that move very fast. So come on, move up. And I'm seeing the time. The minute is about to close upside. So come on, don't close downside. Yes. If it drops, I'm probably going to buy a little bit more options. At least right now I'm holding 24 options. Okay, buying it, buying it, buying it. Hold up. So far 30 options. 30 options holding in Tesla. Buying more. Buying more options. Buying more. Holding 40 options. Holding 40 options. Okay. Come on. It's not. It's like. Come on. Yes. Yes. I'm up so far. PNL is up 600 points. I mean, $600. 40 options of Tesla. Come on, no. Come on. At this point, I should have bought it more, a little bit more. So 46 because it was going to go up. 46 options. God, come on, more. About 50 options. This can either drop on this, but it will not going to drop. It is going to come up. Come on, break this level right over here, and I will going to sell it. 50 cents move, like 75 cents move, and we're going to sell it. This is not doing good, guys. This is not doing good. I'm going to sell it with this level basically. I don't like this. I don't like this. Yes, come on. Come on, up. Sold. Oh shit. Yes, I sold. Up $864. $864 basically. Trade Tesla. It's coming up, no doubt, but made $584 on Tesla, and S&P I made $280. But S&P are more cheap options. Tesla are a little bit expensive. There you go. It's coming up over here. Again, I would have made another maybe $1,000 right over here. So there you go. Shit. God. Move up. Very good. Nicely. That would have like made $1,000 move right over here within this small move. Basically. So this is how you need to trade options. Nothing crazy, but within like maybe what I started trading around like 12 New York time, and I'm in Texas, so it was 20 minutes basically. But how much money I made? $864. $864 basically, and it's ready to go up. It's moving upside. Let's see the watch list. Let's see what the S&P did. Like I said, remember guys, we sold it right over here and came down a little bit, and it was moving up. Let's check some call options. Some call options for SPY. Tesla is kind of good. Oh no, hold on. This the market is went up, came down, so there are a lot of seller on the top side, but let's check Tesla again. No, it will gonna go up, pop. Tesla will gonna pop, no doubt. Gonna pop right over here, and we might sell. They might sell it right over there on top, because this is a good level anyway. So over here, whatever's happening, you need to watch. Basically, you need to watch for Tesla if you want to play upside. If you want to play upside on Tesla, you need to watch. You see, went for a sideways direction. Went to the sideways direction. Around morning time, what it did. There you go. This is today's. Went up, we drop, and from here, whole this block is on the sideways direction. So I feel like it is getting ready to come up, no doubt. So need to see this level basically. Yeah, if I would have held it, I would have like made crazy money over here, no doubt. But remember, this week is the selling point right over here, so there are a lot of buyers and sellers over here. So I want to see that it's breaking upside in order to buy the call. So a lot of people, they don't even watch these things, like very important to know these things. Tesla, let's just wait. I feel like I should jump in. I feel this will going to take this level. Should go to 99. So checking over here and checking over here. I'm buying it. Buying Tesla again, guys. Buying the dip in Tesla. It's not a dip, sorry. Buying the dip in this candle, basically. Buying it. This should take this level up. There you go. I'm holding 20 positions at this moment in time. So my way of trading is like a little bit different. I like to hold like a lot of positions, and when it's like a small move, I already made my money. So I want to keep this small position from now onwards, because I know that a lot of people, they don't have that much of money in their account, so they're not able to hold large positions, because this is like a $271 cost. So if I would like to buy more, but I don't want to buy more, because not because of like anything else, because at this moment I will be making some average money, so averaging my dollar. So I still like to buy a little bit more, because it's a good price. You see this kind of accumulation, we're going to hit the upside, but it can keep a downside too, no doubt. There you know, but I like to buy more, buying the deep on this candlestick, I'm holding 30 options so far. 30 options. Even if it comes right over here, I'll be making my $1,000 mark, so I'm not that worried about it. And the volume on the MACD is also going up. Wants to go up. Okay, but it's kind of sliding down. This is like if there are a lot of buyers right over here, it came down. God, Jesus Christ, come on. If it's keep on sliding it less, I need to sell. I want to get rid half of it, because if it comes down more and more slowly, because it can slide down slowly also. So God, Jesus Christ, this thing is coming down. I don't like this. There are a lot of sellers right over there. There are a lot of sellers right over there. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm holding 30 options. Yes, good. Good. So far I have already passed my $1,000 mark right over here. See, but it's like moving up and down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. This is very nice. 198.50. Come on. If I hit over here, it should go to 99 right over here. This move, because check the volume, guys. Check the volume. And at this point, I am about to move out. I'm about to move out of my position, because I have made $1,000 on Tesla right now. I should keep it or not? I should keep it or sell it. I take a little bit more profit. It's a very good move on the upside, because pretty much sure this will gonna go up. This will gonna go up, no doubt about it. Come on, come on, because showing a lot of strength. You see that? Do you see that? It shows a lot of strength, lot of strength, lot of strength, lot of strength, lot of strength. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm about to sell. Sold. $1,474 PNL. Amount of shares traded for today's stock for this options, basically 160. God, I'm gonna buy more if it comes down a little bit. God, it's not coming down. It is going to 99. No doubt. It is going to 99. Come on. Come down. I should buy it. No, I'm like, yes, no, yes, no. It's going to 99. 199. It's going to 199. Tesla is going to 199. Easily it's going to 199. Easily. But whether I should buy it or no, that's the question. Need to make at least maybe another 500. I can make it and make it like a 2,000. I would have made $2,000 if I hold it. Probably more than that also. If it comes down a little bit, come on guys. Take it down a little bit. You see this, guys? See this big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it should hit that 199 and then start accumulating again. So you know what? Looks very nice, but I don't want to buy anymore. That's it. I don't want to buy at this moment in time. I don't want to buy anymore. I think it's good to have $1,400 up. I want to make another $25 basically to make it like 1,500. $25. There you go. This is like a big red volume. A lot of sellers. Fellas, there are a lot of sellers over here. 199 is accumulating. It is accumulating in order to go upside. It's all accumulating to go upside. It is accumulating to go upside. If it drops some, hold on, if it drops a little bit, I'm gonna buy. Okay, if it drops a little bit, I'm gonna buy. Buying it. What 2 options? Buy more. 6 option, holding 6 option from Tesla. 199, guys. $199. So I'm gonna buy more because this is a bullish flag now. Whatever it's trying to do, it's like bullish flag. You see this? Came down, accumulate like a bullish flag, came up, now it's coming on the upside, bullish flag. So every time it drops, I'm going to buy, accumulate more. So I'm holding 14 options right over here, if you can see that. I want to buy more, 20 options. Every time it comes down, we're going to accumulate more, no doubt. So right now holding 20 options of Tesla. They are very expensive, $2.94. If it hits 199, I'm going to move it out. If it hits 199, I'm going to move out. God, don't go down. God. Again, this is like a bear flag. Not a bear flag, sorry, bullish flag. So it should come up. I would love to see S&P on the side chart at the same time. God, it came down. So I'm gonna buy 2 more because this is like a bargain price. God, it's coming down. It's breaking that bullish flag pattern. Okay, it's coming up. I'm buying more. Buy more. It's accumulating the shares from the downside. 33 seconds, 34 seconds. I don't know whether you guys can see the seconds or not, but I watch those 1 minute charts, so it's very, very important for me to check. And this is the traffic right over here. Are they buying or selling it? So if I see like a red thing, then yes, this is going up. Okay, I hope it's coming up, because you see this green, 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 green. People are buying 10 options, 8 options. You see 10 options, 10 options, 10 options, 20, 120. Okay, there you go, 120. Somebody bought 120. This is the traffic basically. I keep an eye on this. There you go. It is coming up. I'm buying more also. I'm buying more. I bought 40 options. This will going to come up. Somebody bought 120 options. And let's see, 20 options, 20 options. Someone 20 options. Yes. 16, 20, 1,000 options and all. Somebody bought it. That will be crazy. You see, this is the people who are like buying. This is the traffic. This is the traffic. Okay, exactly like I said, I'm driving this car. This is my mirror traffic. I'm watching this one too. Same time, I would love to have a S&P chart, but it doesn't allow me to put a S&P chart. I don't know whether it does. Hold on, let's just try this. Now you see everything gets changed when I click S&P. I like to keep my Tesla because my Tesla position is right over here. They are on. Okay, there you go, guys. I'm about to hit this 199 level. I'm about to hit this 199 level, holding 42 options in S&P. Not S&P. Tesla. I'm about to hit that level, and I'm going to sell it for 199. I'm going to sell it for 199. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Yes. About to sell it. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, give me that level, give me that. Come on, don't pull back, don't pull back now. Don't pull back. Sold. Up. All right, there you go. Up so far 2,764. That's my PNL for today. Trading with Tesla and SPY. Trading with Tesla and SPY. Up 2,764. So this is like the move. I bought a little bit over here. I didn't even buy. I think I bought maybe 1 or 2. If you go and check the recording, you'll come to know if I because the share option size changed. But this move told me right over here this week. Those are the weeks basically. I check, very, very important, how they are coming up. Are they coming up? So, and I bought it over here, no doubt, but it dropped. It dropped. So that means I was losing money. But this week basically tells me whether it will going to come up. At the same time, this is the traffic. Nobody watching the traffic, but I was watching the traffic, so that's the reason I was like, okay, a little bit more positive side. You see this? If you see this, how crazy this is going. This is how people are trading. Like, this is how they are trading. You understand? So most people, all the guys, whoever you guys are trading, calling yourself that you guys are traders. And if you're not watching this, I don't know. Seriously, this is like driving a car with no mirrors for the backside. You need to know: are they buying it? Are they selling it? Basically, these are the like side mirrors. I want to know, because they are buying it, selling it. These are the size of the options. Are they buying it? Or they're selling it? It's the share price. So 10, 15, 20. You see, 10, 15, 20. Some people are buying it and some people are selling it probably. But I already moved out. This is good enough money. There's another green day, which is great. Okay, it started accumulating again right over here. Went up but accumulating again. So let's check the S&P at this point. See, sometimes I don't like to trade S&P. Sometimes I like this kind of setups. This was also good for S&P. Came down, came down, came down. You see this? Went up and went up. So if you go and check, hold on, let's not change this one, but change this one and see. This is 1 hour. This is like a between this 11 to 12. You know, if you change that thing, it will be like a hourly candlesticks. So they're all red, 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 red. But over here, they're like accumulating, and S&P really did like if you see the data over here, it jumped up. SPY came a little bit like a bullish flag, came up, went up, they sold it, went on a sideways direction, dropped. Basically it's a big bear flag, dropped, 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 dropped. But over here something is happening right over here. If you can see this, something is happening right over here. So they are trying to accumulate to go move up. Basically that's the reason, guys. I don't trade this, but I know I missed this whole ride. But I'm not trading for hours. I'm not trading for hours. I'm just trading for 20 minutes, and which is like good enough. And I don't like to keep my profit anymore. That's it. I don't want to touch this market. This is a very good setup over here. If I was you, I will be trading this. But I already made my money. That's like good enough money. Very good money. Very, very good money. Think about it. Very, very good money. No, I don't want to trade anymore. But this is a very good money. And you see this. This is like a bullish flag. This is what's going to go up. This is going to take this level up again. But I don't want to touch it. I'm not going in. I made my money. Have some disciplines. I learned this, and it takes a lot of this courage to hold, not to touch your keyboard. Basically, that's what I can tell you. Because a lot of time, like I said, when I'm done, I close my this and I move out, because if I'm keep on watching it, I feel like to trade, and most of the time I will be losing this money, whatever money I made. So hell no. Most of the time I like to turn off this session, and I will not going to trade anymore. I'm not going to trade anymore, because that's the reason. I have some rules. The timing is one of them. Not to trade is one of them. You understand? Not to trade is one of them, basically. And the market is always right. A lot of people say, this market is wrong. You don't know nothing. The market is always right, because those boys, the big boys, the big banks and all, they know where they're placing their money, and they know how much money it needs to short this market to go down, and they know exactly when to move this market up if they're buying it. So you think that the market is wrong? The market is all made up with the money. They know exactly how much money you put they in, how much it will going to move up, how much if they take the money out, how much it will going to drop. They know exactly. And most retail traders like me, you, if you're watching it, you, me, are just a regular traders. So remember, it's very likely for me and you to lose money. And when those other traders are doing it, like they are trading with other people's money, those big banks, the bank is using your money. Whenever you deposit your check or any type of a deposit, they use that money to trade, to buy the shares, or to lend the money to somebody else. So you know and whoever is winning this market, basically whoever has the most money. If you have the most money, you can write the rules for this market. No joke. If you have the most money, you can write a rule for this market. If you think about it, the guy, I don't know, go back and check the recording. That's $120. Somebody bought it. I saw it. So when that $120 bought it, what really happened? Tesla, I don't know what really happened. It went up. So that's what I mean to say, like that's those are the guys who have the most money. They are the one who's moving the market. So if you have the most money and you trading with a small money, you're probably going to get crushed, no doubt. Because if you're on the wrong side of the move, you'll be done with your account basically. So, and if you're trading with like a one or two or three options, you know, and you're thinking to just capture that move, it's very likely you will not going to. Some point you will going to fail because that move sometime. I don't know. It all depends on the option. So there's another my buddy the other day. We were talking and he was telling me like you should tell about the delta gamma all those things and I'm here not to tell you all those things. Do you know why? Because I don't care about those things. I can tell you about those things, but it really doesn't matter. The trader like me, I care less about them. I know, but the trader like other guys, like whatever you guys are like holding the option for overnight, you need to watch those things because every day that option is losing. Computer knows very well to reprice them. Okay, so if you are trading today and if you bought the Tesla today right over here, those option I'm pretty much sure went crazy because it opened up with a gap. Okay, open up with a gap, that means they're making crazy moves. And who knows, this Tesla will going to come down very fast. One, this is a 1 minute chart again, and I think so, yes, it is a 1 minute chart. But you see, first open up with a gap, went up, green candle, red, green, green, dip. So your option is like moving way too fast, and over here the option really doesn't even know what's the right price of the stock. It's just moving like with the chicken with no head basically, and it's like moving crazy. Over here, this is the part where the magic becomes. The option the computer has already repriced and the stock has already, you see the volume has already dropped. So the option is in the right position mindset. That's what I can tell you over here. Right position mindset. You understand? So if you hold that option for like 15-20 minutes, you will not going to lose that much of money. But if you hold the option right over here and it slide down, you're going to see a big loss. You're going to see a big loss. You're going to see a big loss on your portfolio. No, and I don't like to do that. So I check options. They move a certain time. They lose value at certain time. So the computer knows very well. The computers are being designed like that to reprice them. And who's writing all these options basically? The bankers. And the bankers don't want to pay you anything basically. They don't want to pay you the premium of these options, man. No, they don't like to pay. So if you are the trader who's trading this one, if you had a put option, yes, you probably made money. But no, if you had a call option and you got trapped with this one, I'm pretty much sure you are the one who's holding it. And when it came up, and I can imagine, I'm pretty much sure you're not thinking about selling it either. But I were you, I would have like if I was holding it right over here and I got stuck, I got FOMO and I got stuck, it dropped. I know I would have got stuck too. At this point, if I'm buying more over here. Don't get me wrong. I would have bought more over here, and when it went up over here, I would have sold it. Went up right over here, I would have sold it. So sold half of it or sold my full position. At this point, I would like already figure it out. There's a hidden sellers right over here. These people are like selling it. I won't lie to you that if I was trading, I were you and I traded this one, and when I saw this red candle, I would have bought it. It would have went up, and yeah, I'm pretty much sure I would have bought like more. And if I got trapped right over here, this is what I'm trying to tell you. If I would have got trapped right over here, and I can imagine this came down very fast, this came down very fast, I would have bought over here again. I would have hold it. This candlestick, I would have hold it too. This candlestick, it would have like I would have said, oh my god, I know already what I'm thinking. This candlestick, but I would have like bought a little bit more. At this point, I'm losing a lot of money. I'm pretty much sure this move would have lost me maybe $2,000. I'm telling you, $2,000 easily. So at this point, when it came up and it ready to break up over here, I would have sold half of my positions at this point, half of my position, like moving the risk out. And if it this happen right over here and this happen, I can imagine, then I know this is coming down. This people are like selling it. They're like hidden people, you don't see them, but I'm telling you, they are working against you because they know very well this is coming up. Yeah, up, but they're going to sell it. So at this point, this one and all, I would have sold it. No way. And I would start trading put options. Yes, you see Tesla came up 98, 99. Yes, that's what I mean. You see, this is the reason I don't trade over here. You get killed. You do get killed because whoever has the most money is selling it, and they're selling it big. Basically, that's what I can tell you. And the option is losing value as well very fast over here. Okay, over here the option, and this is the one. The option has already repriced. That's the reason I come to trade around 11 o'clock Texas time to like so 12 o'clock New York time, 11 o'clock Texas time. So I live in Texas now, so that's where I come in. And because I know the option has already repriced and ready to do whatever is needed to do. So basically I'm going calls, going up, or going put. So not a bad day for today. Traded for like 20 to 30 minutes and up $2,700, which is great. And how many option I have traded? 244 option from the Tesla, 36 option from the SPY, but 36 option bought me $2.80, and 160 option bought me $2,484 profit in Tesla. So yep, this is how the trading works. This is a very good case study. If you should watch this. If you trader and if you're losing money, you should watch this carefully. How I'm trading this. You see, I'm like one of those. I don't know. I'm like one of those ninja guys. Ninja, ninja. They come, they fight very fast, or like a Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee will be the great one. I'm one of the Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee get into the ring. You see, he just watch it, chop, 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 and the game is over. That's what you need to do. You need to capture this small move, chop, 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 and the game is over. Within that 15-20 minutes, your game should be over. You understand? You should not trade more. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Chop, chop, chop. The game is over, and you don't need to put the spread, all those things crazy. People will go and tell you, all those gurus on the YouTube will go and tell you, oh, you need to learn about the spread, the butterfly trade, the iron condo, the straddle, cover your downside, all those things. They are all good, no doubt, but they won't make you money. This is what I say, learn the basic. ABC is the basic, and call and put option is the basic. And if you know how to see the move, what is the move is coming up or coming down, you will be better. You can make it. You can make it. But if you have someone like me, like telling you what I'm really doing on the YouTube, and if you're trading with me, and if I say buy, and if you're buying it, then you will gonna end up like the same type of result like me, or maybe not, because it's a little bit fast move, and I'm, like I said before, even I say buy, I'm buying it. My fingers are working faster than I talk. So yes, but this is a education purpose video. Please, this, if you're trading this market, you are trading it on your own risk. You don't take my word. Okay, it's your money. I'm not responsible for your money or not anybody else, because like I said, you cannot file a dispute, or just because I said uh, you bought it. No, you need to make your own research, and you need to know what you are good into it. You know, maybe you're good in writing the spread, all those things. But maybe you are good in writing the straddles. You know, I like straddles. Don't get me wrong. I love straddles, but in 2014, 2011, 2014 used to make very good money on the straddles. But those straddles work very good on the earnings time, but they don't work good anymore now. This age, we are in 2023 February, they don't work like I used to make money before, and not anymore. So things every time change in the market. The market is always moving. The earnings are always good or bad. All those things matters. So the straddle and all, they don't make any more money for me. For other people, yes, probably they are making money. But this is a I'm just writing regular calls and put. They are all naked calls and naked puts, because I don't have time to write a spread. Okay, you need to put it to bring my risk low and all. That's all right. Bringing your risk low, it's good, but the spread will going to make a small amount of money as well. So yes, no, not really, not for me, not for me, but probably for somebody else. But yes, I'm just writing calls, naked calls, and naked puts. That's what I'm trading. So yes, please don't take my word. Do your own research, because this is the only software what you looking at, but I have more softwares which I'm watching. Keep on watching it, and so the thing is like it's all about it's all about trying to see a broader picture in the market, what the market will going to do. So where the smart money is and where the dumb money is, basically, that's what I can tell you. So if you are that trader who is ready to take the risk, please join me. No joke. If you are that guy, or if you are that girl who wants to take the risk, and you are the one who's taking the I take the risk every day, basically, and I take the risk every day in trading. So uh, because it's my own money, and if you that guy, please join me. Why don't you join me? Let's trade together. How about that? You can tell me whatever you're doing, whatever you're looking at, and I tell you whatever I'm looking at. And if I'm making money, I'm making money. If you're making money, I'm making money. If you're losing money, that's fine, because trading is all about winning and losing. But suddenly I would love to win every single time, but it doesn't happen. Don't stay in this fantasy land saying like, oh shit, that you will going to make everyday money. You will going to lose money. One, I have big losses as well, but I have never recorded those losses to show you on the YouTube. But from now onwards, and anyway, whatever I'm doing trading, I'm recording them, so that way you can watch and you can learn, basically. I'm pretty much sure upcoming days and weeks I'll probably have some losses too, because that will never gonna happen that I'm winning every single day. you know you will gonna get yourself killed. You will gonna step on the wrong side also someday. So that's what it is. So if you're losing, it's not your fault, because the people are betting against you because you probably did something wrong, or you did not check. Like for example, this one is moving on a sideways direction. If you see this, most traders will going to put their orders right over here. Went up, but if you have a stop right over here, it kicked your stop too. It would have kicked you up. So if you put like tight stops, and I don't even put stops anymore. Let me tell you the truth. Back in time, I used to put all the stops in, all those things, whatever the guru used to say. Like you need to put your stop in, you need to put your levels in, all those things. I did it, and guess what? The market always, like I said, smart money and dumb money. It knocked me out of my stock, and then it went up. That's what it is. You see, smart money is right over here, but the market does whatever it does, like the cycle. That's what I call it. It's a market cycle, and it went up. If you have your stop right over here, it would have kick you out and dropped. If you would have short this market right over here, you understand? So that's the reason I don't put the stops anymore. But my stop is like my fingers. They work very fast. They work very fast. My eyes and my fingers, they watch things and they work very fast. So yes, this is me. Okay, you don't need to take my word. If I'm not putting a stop, that means you should not put your stop. But put whatever you're doing it, you do it. But I'm just letting you know I'm not putting my stops because I can put my stop, but you have to change a lot of things right over here. Basically, you see stop limit and all. I can put them, but I don't like to put them because, like I said, my fingers they're working like a stop anyway. So most traders that I know, they don't put a stop either because they are trading faster, just like me, getting in, getting out. So yes. All right, guys. I would like to stop my session today. I'm pretty much sure it's already 1 hour. This will going to take another 2-3 hours to convert into a YouTube video. So if yeah, let me know. Comment below. If you make money, if you lost money, that's fine too. Remember, like I said, there's always the next day to trade. But let me know if you made money, even $50, $100, whatever it is, And there's always the next day to make more money. So at this point, please subscribe, tell your friends, family, whoever is trading and want to learn a little bit more about trading. Please email me. If you have any question, email me as well. This is please like and subscribe. This is my PNL for today, basically $2,700. Not bad. All right, guys. Bye. Thank you.